She is life. In her yellow frock, life toddled into those merry mornings. Of color and play came then, brighter noons when, like a butterfly, she fluttered. But the star of her own fable, with the mirror, she had to stay a minute longer for the cocktail hour. The evening of amber hues was next. Break the rules, would she then? But surely, born in the dusk, were dreams of desire that she didn't know of. Between her linen and loins crept up nights that grew darker than they should. For a glimmer of light she searched at midnight, lest she gives up the fight. Breathe her last. She didn't, 'cause of the unseen hands that held her. So, to see the dawn that promised sunrise, life did live.